Here I have some scrap wood I had in my shed, and I am creating a cute little mismatched ladder here. Once you have that screwed in, bring that out to a tarp, and I am painting this a nice hot pink. This is really gonna make it pop for summertime. I'm loving this color. So easy, so now you can stick this on your porch, and I got this yard sign from the Dollar Tree. This is aloha themed, so obviously I need lays. Cut them and get some duct tape, and now I am going to wrap the lays right around the ladder, and you can stick that on with tape just like this. Super easy to achieve this. Next, get your yard sign and add tape to those as well. And I am adding the aloha right in the center of the ladder, just like this, and they will stick on super easily. These are some cheap wooden crates. You can stack those, and I'm adding 3. This is a yard of fabric, and I went again with a summertime print. I'm really loving the yellow for this. And now I have some flowers, nice bright colors, and these I got from the Dollar Tree. They have a great selection of planters. So just add that into the wooden crates, and I'm adding all different types of tropical plants. And of course, just my flowers for summer, a citronella candle, you definitely need that. All different little accessories that I feel really build out this tropical theme that I'm going for. Obviously, I had to have the flamingos. I got those from Lowe's. I'm so excited to show you how this looks. I am so ready for summer. Now let's take a look at my porch. I definitely went all out with this one. All I used for this was scrap wood I already had, and then decorations from the dollar store. This really looks so cute. I absolutely love the crates. You can even do this just on its own without my aloha sign. So now I'll show you a couple different options too. And now for option 2 here, you can split this up so we can keep both of these separate on either side of the door. I'm loving this. I actually think I like this version even better, and I love how they both feel tropical even on their own. These I got from the dollar store along with these. Everything here was very inexpensive. I wanted this whole thing to be on a budget. One last option. And now here is option 3. I added some more little tropical signs to really bring in the theme. The gang is back together here, and you can see my little extra tropical signs that I added. I for sure think I like them better separated on each side of the door. Hope you all enjoy, and happy summer. All right, everyone, welcome to my bonus tips and tricks section where I go more in depth into what you just saw in the video. I'm doing this for all the people who want more details, and then for all the people who don't, you already saw everything. It's a win-win for everybody. All these little signs, including the aloha yard sign that I repurposed on my ladder, all of those are from the Dollar Tree, very inexpensive. These wooden crates you can find just about everywhere, but they are the cheapest at the Dollar Tree. So if you happen to see them there, definitely snag them because I feel like this is a hot item. I saw them at the Dollar Tree and then I didn't get them, and then I went back to go get them and they were gone. So I ended up having to get them from Lowe's, which is fine, but they were $5 more expensive each. At the Dollar Tree, they're 10, and usually other places, including Michael's, I usually see them for about 15. Now, the good thing is that these are completely reusable, so I do this craft a lot for every holiday. So 30 bucks if you can get them at Dollar Tree, 45 elsewhere, and then you can reuse them for a million different things, not just crafts, by the way, obviously. So for me, highly recommend the investment. I think they're totally worth it, especially if you leave them raw and you don't paint them, then that means any holiday you can use them for. I also think painting this a nice tropical blue color would be really cute too. There's a lot of pink in this yard sign, so that's why I went with the pink, and the A has that awesome flamingo, which I wove into this right here. But there's equally a lot of turquoise and a lot of yellow, so I think either of those colors would look really good. And then this is another one of those crafts that you can definitely repurpose for other holidays. So all you have to do is spray paint it a different color and add different decorations. The lays and the yard sign you saw, I just duct taped that and that was totally fine. So you can totally strip this for 4th of July, Christmas, any other holiday, and then decorate it accordingly, and you will definitely be seeing me doing that. I love decor that you can make once and then redress a different way and get a total different utility out of it. Very cost effective and just fun to do. I hope these bonus tips and tricks are helping everyone. If you're liking my videos, please hit that subscribe button, and if you have already, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. I love sharing these crafts with all of you. I also have a free newsletter that you can sign up for at heybrooklynbee.com, where I send periodic updates with links and different things I'm working on. And I also have a DIY membership club you can sign up for also if you want detailed instructions, all the links, all the things to make these projects sent to your inbox once a week. So you can go check that out also. Hope you enjoy, and I am ready for aloha season. Bye.